Okay, this is a CIS180 week one introduction to the course. Hopefully you had time this week to go over the navigation of the site and the getting started for week one. Information of my office, Chuck Conkle, WTC 2222. You have a question, you can text or call with this number. I do prefer email with questions, but if you aren't able to use an email where you're at, or you don't have an email client or whatever, I don't mind texting or phone calling either. This goes to my Google phone, so I'll go to a voicemail if you call, and if you text, it'll come to me as well. I try to reply as soon as possible to any student questions. Course navigation helps. It goes over how to navigate the course success, how to succeed in the course, which is basically doing your reading, your watching a podcast, going through the instructions of the homework. So read that course success, which will help you. Syllabus as well, read on your own time. Course documents goes over items within the resources of the class, which are these here. The online textbook, how to zip and unzip files, things of that nature. We are using for this semester Visual Studio 2017 Community Edition. Some of the podcasts might have in there Visual Studio 2015, but disregard that. It's we're using 2017. Help. This is if you need help with a certain problem in the course. You can email me, set up a day or time, 10 minutes prior. You can click here and run the quick setup for quick support on your computer. 5 minutes before, you'll send me your username and ID. And then when that time comes, I can remote into your computer and help. Once finished, it will allow you to review that session for TeamViewer. And then also, this program only allows me to access your computer one time only. The Connection Bot Assistant. This is a tool I've created to help students, whether it be with a course, schedule a meeting face-to-face on the campus or online. Any speaker requests, live chat, upcoming events, and the RVC hour of code. Week one start here, we'll go over today in the podcast. This podcast is from last semester, but all the data is pertinent to this semester as well, as far as the content goes. If there's any dates in there, that's disregard those. If you need RVC Eagle Canvas tutoring, you'll click this link on. Getting around the course, read that. Post any course and non-course related questions here in the course discussion. Sign up for Twitter. Follow me on Twitter, Professor Geek, CIS180, and Professor Geek on Snapchat. We'll be posting weekly events, or monthly events actually, on Snapchat here in the next week or two. Periscope we might be using this semester, so go ahead and install that on your phone. And iTunes U, this one I would hold off on right now. If you've already tried, they've made some changes, so don't worry about iTunes U. Google Community, you can sign up for that. Bookmark my website. And then Visual Studio 2017 Community Edition is the app we'll be using for this semester to create Visual Basic applications. All right. And to install it, follow these steps here. Read the packaging and sending weekly assignments. Course success again, and that's online to Visual Basic 2017 tutorial that we'll be using this semester. Fill out the About Me and reply to at least 2 others. A number of you have already done that, so good job. Visual Basic 1. Complete Visual Basic. Podcast for the week 1 assignment. It'll help you, and each week should have a podcast for you that I've done. And again, most of these are geared towards 2015, but a few changes in 2017, but not that many. Each week we'll also have a discussion like here. Just read the discussion information or the thought and give your best reply. And that's the end of week 1. So each week you will have sneaking into week 2, generally going to have reading. Do the reading in full before you follow the assignment. Watch a podcast for the assignment before you do the assignment. And then discussion. And each week we'll have that. And so the quizzes each week will also be on the reading that you've done. Once you're finished towards the end of the semester, as we go towards the end of the semester, you'll be doing a final lap that will be due May 10th. And so you'll have a couple weeks to work on that to finish it from after week 14. But look forward to a great semester. Again, if you have any questions, shoot me an email. I'll be more glad to help you.